Hi guys! Today we're going to be learning how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb on the bassoon. Now before we start playing the full song, I want to introduce you to the three notes we're going to be using: C, D, and E. So I'm going to finger them all on the bassoon and then I'll play them for you, one after the other. So the first note, C, involves your whisper key, which, I'm going to rotate this carefully, is the very bottom thumb key. And all of these notes are going to have the whisper key. So you're going to have whisper key, then the first hole on your left hand, the second hole, and the third hole. That is C, and it sounds like this. Okay, now try that for yourself. And our second note is D. And for D, all you do is you take this third finger and raise it up. Everything else is the same. Whisper key, 1 and 2. And D sounds like this. Try that for yourself. And now our final note for Mary Had a Little Lamb is E. And that is just whisper key and your first finger. And it sounds like this. Try that for yourself. Okay, now I'm going to play Mary Had a Little Lamb all the way through for you, and then we're going to break it down part by part and then play it together at the end, okay? Now that's what it sounds like all the way through. Now let's work through the fingerings and play it in chunks. So the first part goes E, D, C, D, E, E, E. Finger that on your bassoon as I play it. Oh, I was accidentally hitting a thumb key. I'm so sorry about that. We're going to try that again. Okay, that's the first part. Now the second part goes, goodness, I'm so sorry. Okay, the second part goes D, 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 E, E, E. Very simple part, but for this you're going to want a tongue in between the repeated notes. I don't know if I said it exactly, but we're slurring on those first parts, and now we're going to tongue because it's a repeated note. So I'm going to play the first and the second part for you so you hear that how they go together. Okay, so I'm having a weird thing on my E, and that might happen to you too. The best thing to do is just remember your embouchure and keep blowing strong air, okay? No mistakes happen to everyone, it's fine. Now, the final part is a repeat of the first part, where we go E, D, C, D, E, 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 and then we change and go D, D, E, D, C. So I'm going to play just that last part, and then I'll play all of it together, and I want you to play along with me on this final time. And again, some notes just kind of sound funny. All you need to do is remember what they're supposed to sound like and keep pushing strong air. Okay, I think we're ready to play it all the way through together. So remember your fingerings and just think about a firm embouchure and tons of air as we play, okay? and you've done it. It might not have been pretty your first time all the way through, and that's okay. We're not looking for perfection when we play an instrument. We're looking for steady effort and mastery of a skill. So just keep trying and practicing Mary Had a Little Lamb on your own, and someday you'll have it down pat, okay? Have a great day, guys.